What's up, guys? It's your girl Sammy Whammy. But today I'm gonna film a video for you guys because Arturo's truck got wrecked. So we're finna go.
They hit me.
Oh, they hit your ass. So we're gonna go get a rental car. Do you think it's gonna be a nice rental car?
Well, we gotta go take it to the shop first, and then I guess they're gonna give me like a truck that's about the same age, the same year and stuff.
Oh, okay. Hey. Okay, so we're just gonna take you along with us. Hopefully you guys are up for the ride. See you later. Blah, 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 blah. Blah. Guys, so we couldn't go in Arturo's little thing of his car. So me and Nico are in the car waiting for him. So yeah, this quarantine stuff is crazy. I really feel like the president need to shut the shit down. Trump need to shut everything down, for real. Like, make everybody stay at home. I know I'm out, but for real, like, if they told me to stay home, I'll stay home, you know? Nobody gonna stop me. Well, if the president say it, I'ma do it. But if the president ain't saying shit, I'm out. So guys, you guys wanna see the whip? Okay, y'all, it's not a crazy car, so don't laugh. Okay. New car! This is nice, y'all. Look at this. Oh yeah, I'm driving. Do what I say so. So you know you wanna go on my YouTube? Diga, what's up, YouTube? Ooh, look at the nice car. What's up, guys? We in the new wheel. What happened?
They gonna know it's a rental. They got the no smoke.
Damn,
They
we try to show
names.
off. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm gonna end this video and tell you guys that we will be posting a lot more. Like, this is not it, so you guys better get prepared. Because we will be posting. Okay, so we love you guys, and I hope you subscribe and comment.
Oh yeah, and leave a like.
Yeah, and comment. We need a comment. But I hope you guys follow our family. We is lit. Trust me. Trust me. But we love you guys, and
Peace.
peace.